Work-related car accidents. Who's responsible in the state of California? One factor that is important to look at after a work-related car accident is the scope of employment. Was the driver on the clock for their employer at the time of the accident, or were they doing personal business that was unrelated to their employment when they got in that accident? Generally speaking, if someone was on the clock for their employer at the time of the accident, then their employer can be held responsible also for the car accident under the theory of vicarious liability. So what happens if you're working at the time of a car accident with someone else? If someone else causes a car accident while you were on the clock for your employer, you can still pursue recovery for your injuries, including pain and suffering, against the at-fault driver and their insurance company, of course. However, if you were on the clock while working, your employer may require you to get medical treatment through the workers' compensation system. Although the workers' compensation system does not allow you recovery for pain and suffering, you could still seek pain and suffering damages against the at-fault driver and their insurance company. Now, if you were a victim of a car accident involving someone who was working at the time of the accident, typically if you were hired by the law office of Steers & Associates, we would make a claim with both the other driver's personal auto policy and their employer's commercial policy. This is because sometimes what may be considered a work-related accident may be found not to be, so it's important for us to make a claim with both the personal insurance policy and the commercial insurance policy for the employer. The type of evidence that should be obtained after a car accident involving a work-related vehicle includes GPS fleet logs, dispatch records, cell phone usage if available, and even video dash cam footage. Speak to our attorneys today at the law offices of Steers & Associates if you've been involved in a work-related car accident. So if you'd like more information about the law offices of Steers & Associates and how we can help you, check us out on our socials and on our website.